Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make the very traditional looking twisted boutique shape bow, which is this one. And the other thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to get your print the right way up on all your loops, because that is a thing that a lot of people struggle with, especially with this specific style of patterned ribbon. So this is what you get. So it's like a pattern that only goes in one direction. So to get it the right way up, it takes a bit of practice. But I have a tip for you. And we're going to take this out of the way. Put that in the corner. Now I do have a little bit of tempered glass here. I'm going to show you how to do it. So what you'll need is 1.5 inch ribbon. And it's 4 times 36 centimetres, not inches. 36 centimetres. I'll put like a little description box here for you. So this is a ribbon, and to start, you've got both your patterns going this way. What you need to do is turn one of them so that they're upside down. Okay, so can you see? So that's what we do. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take them on the tempered glass. I take a ruler right at the edge with a wood burning tool. Let me do that a little bit better, sorry. It was hard to angle it. So, there we go. So now you've got a join where you've got this one the right way up and this one the wrong way up. Okay. And then we're going to take our other two 36 centimetres of ribbon, which is these two, and again we're going to line them up on our tempered glass or your glass cutting board, whatever you've got. Like I said, I just use this little piece so you can actually see when I'm on tutorials without moving my whole desk about. Again, let's do it so we can actually do without the drag. There we go, two nicely joined pieces of ribbon. We'll put that out of the way. So you'll see that's how nicely joined both of them are. And then what we want to do, I'm going to line those up, clip that in place, and then the other thing I do is I make sure that the ribbon meets the same length and is layered directly on top. And again, I'm just going to trim this down so it's all exactly the same length throughout, because again that will help you with the balance of your loops. Get rid of that. Trim that edge off. So there's one end, and then we're going to double check this end. Again, we've got that little bit extra, so just line it all up, level it all up. Seal your ends. So that is all now nicely together. Again, we can just pop that one out of the way. And the other thing to do is if you fold it in half like that, these will still be, so they're all the same length. And then open it out, so you've got this. And the way to do it is you want the loop to start this way and use that as a guide, so you can fold that bit in half, and then where we've got our crease, take a couple of clips, pop them that side, and then this loop you want to bring this round this way, directly over that, so you've got a square, and then you can move your clip here and here, so you've got like the figure 8 traditional Twisted Boutique loop. Okay, moving clips a little bit so you can fold it in half. So fold it in half to get your tail, your length of your loops. Heat crease. Same the other side. Line it all up, make sure it's all heat crease. And the other thing to do is make sure your pattern's facing in like this with that edge there. Okay. And then where your line is, line that up with the point of your edge and clip. And then do the opposite, the same side, the other side. Line up your loop. Clip it in place. And then turn it over. And as you'll see, all of your clouds, all directions, are sitting exactly as they should be. Okay. So then I take the clip off this side. With your needle and thread from above, where that triangle point first comes in, you're going to go 1 through there, 2, 3, 4, 5, take your clip out the other side, and number 6 should be going back up from beneath, right as the triangle's finishing this side. Then you can take your 2 clips off here, and cinch so you get 3 creases. Okay, and then wrap round a good couple of times so it's nice and tight and secure. And then stitch off in the back however you like to. And then the next thing I'm going to show you is the difference between like the more traditional simple boutique and how to make it the twisted boutique shape, and it's how you lift your loops up. So if you want the traditional loopier boutiques, put your fingers in and twist. Sorry, it's looking a little bit messy for me today. And there you go, you get the more traditional longer look. Now if you want it to be a twisted boutique, you see how they're curved down at the moment and they're sitting all tight here. With the twisted boutiques you need to get your fingers in like this into your loops. Okay, and what you do is you tug and twist, and what happens is basically those loops that were previously sat back there and now sat up, and you get the more traditional squared Twisted Boutique bow. But like I said, it does take from there. You do have to do a little bit of tweaking and playing to get it to sit how you personally like them. And once you've got them, the other trick I like to do with mine is I'll sort of grab them with my curling clips. So you get them how you want them. And then you can spray them. So like I said, do play around until you get them the exact shape that you personally like the look of. And then when you're happy, you can add your clip, you can hairspray them to set them, and add all your embellishments and bits like that. I'm not going to set my hairspray today because I have just got glue all over that one. Went way too overboard. That's better. So I'll pop this on the back. I have some matching blue ribbon. So we shall heat seal this. But yes, basically you take the hairspray and put it in a little like container so it doesn't get all over your desk and all over your workbench, and completely spray it. I use either the Tesco Basics like Max Hold spray, or you can go the starch stiffening, and you can find that in the laundry section, or like laundry areas of your shopping supermarkets, places like that. So wrap that around twice, cut that extra off. You can do this with fabric glue as well instead if you don't have a wood burning tool. Sorry, I just moved my hoops back down, so just readjust. Okay, and then I'm just going to add a little padded heart. And that is your more traditional looking Twisted Boutique bows with your patterned ribbon the right way up. Thanks for watching. Bye.